Ever wonder how steam engines powered the Industrial Revolution? Let's break down the mechanics of a steam engine. At the heart of a steam engine is water. When water is heated inside a boiler, it turns into steam, a process that has been harnessed for centuries to power various machines and engines. This steam creates pressure, which is a crucial element in the operation of steam engines. The high-pressure steam is then directed into a cylinder where it pushes a piston back and forth, a motion that is fundamental to the engine's function. This back-and-forth movement of the piston is the key to converting steam's thermal energy into mechanical power, driving the gears and other components of the engine. This principle not only powered early industrial machinery, but also revolutionized transportation with the advent of steam locomotives, changing the world forever. As the piston moves up and down within the cylinder, it turns a crankshaft. This crankshaft is crucial because it converts the linear back-and-forth motion of the piston into rotary motion. This rotary motion is incredibly versatile and can be used to drive a variety of mechanical systems. For instance, it can power wheels in vehicles, operate gears in industrial machines, or even generate electricity in power plants. Essentially, this conversion process is fundamental to many types of machinery that require a reliable source of power. The engine continues to cycle with steam driving the piston in a continuous loop of motion. This process is fascinating to watch as the piston moves rhythmically, powered by the force of steam. The exhaust steam is released and often condensed back into water to be reused, making steam engines a clever closed-loop system. This efficient recycling of water not only conserves resources, but also ensures the engine can run continuously without needing a constant supply of fresh water. The ingenuity of this system lies in its ability to harness and reuse energy effectively. Steam engines were the powerhouse behind trains, factories, and ships, transforming industries and transportation. While we may have moved on to more advanced technology today, the basic mechanics of the steam engine remain a fascinating example of engineering ingenuity.